कैमरे के चक्कर में मैं बहुत स्लो चलूंगी। देखो 20 की स्पीड पे हम जाएंगे। बिल्कुल।
बिग बॉय टॉयज की बात भी करेंगे, द सुपर कार क्लब की बात भी करेंगे, द एंटायर हमारी जो वुमेन क्लब, हिंदुस्तान का पहला ऐसा क्लब जो इन्होंने बिक्री लेकर आई है।
I really enjoyed driving a Ferrari. Last one I drove was a McLaren, so that was also I really enjoyed driving. So
Wow.
and there's a feel good factor when you are on the road, you're driving. And when I had a lot of knowledge when I was doing Party Like a Millionaire, and one of the big concept in Party Like a Millionaire was Party on Wheels.
Wow,
where we had taken these cars like Scorpio and others, and we had modified them into limousines.
क्या बात।
So I don't know anyone. There is nobody else in this world who has a miniature perfume
I'm
collection.
sure. How many are there?
So there should be around 1,000.
Yeah. Confidence कहाँ से आता है? कुछ एक बताओ यार. There's so many young women who are going to watch you and listen to the show pan India.
I really feel it's not like I've always been at every event I've been successful. It's not like that, you know.
Wow.
So confidence तो बीच-बीच में बहुत टूटता है. If you wanna date me, if you really wanna date me, if you wanna date me, then get a limousine. नहीं तो कर दूंगी तो मैं out of scene.
हनी सिंह देख रहे हो? You know the next collab you never know might happen. Hey मेरी जान, मैं तो हूँ आपकी सुपर वुमनिया, लेकिन मेरे साथ जो आज बैठी हैं वो इतनी ही प्यारी हैं जितनी वो दिख रही हैं। और साथ ही साथ अगर मैं इनकी जर्नी के बारे में बोलना शुरू करूँ, हूँ मैं नॉन स्टॉप, लेकिन ना मैं जर्नी की बातें तभी करूँगी जब मैं इनकी सारी बातें इनसे खुद निकालूंगी। रितिका आहूजा, मतलब हम जो बीच में जो नाम आता है उनके बारे में भी जिक्र करेंगे, लेकिन मैं शुरुआत करूंगी इनकी जर्नी कैसे शुरू हुई। और जब बात आती है, हर कोई हर कुछ कर लेता है, पर जब रफ्तार की बात आती है, जब परफ्यूम की बात आती है, जब यॉट्स और शिप्स की बात आती है, जब पार्टी लाइक मिलियनेयर की बात आती है, शी हैज डन इट ऑल, बट हाउ डिड शी डू इट? कैसे इन्होंने किया? बिग बॉय टॉयज की बात भी करेंगे, द सुपर कार क्लब की बात भी करेंगे, द एंटायर हमारी जो वुमेन क्लब, हिंदुस्तान का पहला ऐसा क्लब जो इन्होंने बिक्री लेकर आई है। इतने अवार्ड्स इनको पाए हैं, इनको मतलब इन्फ्लुएंसर्स अवार्ड कहो, सारे लीडरशिप अवार्ड्स कहो। हाउ डू यू डू इट? वेलकम टू सुपर वुमनिया।
Thank you so much. I hope I can get your energy for this show.
अरे आई
Then I'll
जाएगा।
be a super womania.
मतलब मैं एंड ऑफ द डे में ये कहना चाहूंगी कि मैं इतना कुछ आपसे कैसे सीखूं, दैट आई वुड से नाउ दैट यस मेरी जान, मैं सुपर वुमनिया हूँ। पर रितिका, बचपन से ही ऐसी हो, कैसी हो? हु इज द रियल यू? शुरुआत से शुरू करेंगे, शुरू से शुरू, जरा बताइए ना।
So शुरू से शुरू तो कर लेंगे,
हाँ.
पर मैं ऐसी बिल्कुल थी ही नहीं.
Seriously?
I think I was one girl
हाँ.
who didn't really have any dreams or didn't really have any aspirations. I was just so, you know, I'm an only child. I was
yes.
brought up by my mom, very protective, very happy, homely girl.
Yeah.
Didn't really think, okay, this is what I want to do in life, and ऐसी life होनी चाहिए, Lamborghini होनी चाहिए, Ferrari होनी चाहिए. मतलब इतना सोचा ही नहीं था.
अच्छा जी।
इतना नहीं सोचा था. I think God has been kind, and I've been given a space which I had not imagined for myself.
तो ना मैंने ना, मुझे किसी बर्डी ने आके कहा, देखो आपने सुपर वुमनिया का जिंगल तो सुना है, लेकिन हमारी रितिका यहाँ पे इन्होंने एक अपना कुछ गाना भी गाया। रितिका, व्हाट वाज द होल थिंग अबाउट? देखो मुझे पता तो चला है, ये party like, you know, a millionaire also has a song that you have sung, so you get to know this today, that Ritika can also sing. What is it?
I could used to sing. I can't really sing now, but at one point in my life I could sing. But yes, you know, when Party Like I mean, we were all friends, and you know, friends were so supportive during college time. So one of my friends, Soransh Mishra, he's a classical singer, so he was so kind to make like a song and a jingle for me. So he wrote this song and for Party Like a Millionaire.
Lights हो जाए तो मजा आ जाए.
So थोड़ा कुछ ऐसा था that if you wanna date me, if you really wanna date me, if you wanna date me, then get a limousine. लिमोजीन,
ओए,
नहीं
ओए।
तो कर दूंगी तो मैं आउट ऑफ सीन.
हनी सिंह देख रहे हो? You know, the next collab you never know might happen.
सो हमने उसको रिकॉर्ड किया,
Oh,
मैंने
wow.
उसे सिंग किया, स्वरांश ने लिरिक्स लिखे
क्या बात?
एंड हमने शूट किया
Amazing.
कार्स के साथ. इनफैक्ट ही वाज एक्टिंग आल्सो इन वन ऑफ माय शूट्स. इट केम ऑन HT City front page, the
Star
whole
Times.
shoot.
Wow.
So it, you know, the fun things have been happening forever.
एंड इट्स गोइंग टू हैपन इन दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑल्सो, क्योंकि मुझे पता है यहाँ पे सारे सवाल है, लेकिन इनकी एनर्जी और इनकी जो वाइब है, इनकी जो जर्नी है, उस पे हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो कुछ प्यार की बातें भी हो जाएं. बहुत ही छोटी सी उम्र में, ऑफ कोर्स द एंटायर, यू डिडंट वांट टू डू दैट, बट पार्ट लाइक अ मिलियनेयर हैपेंड. बट व्हेन डिड प्यार इश्क मोहब्बत हैपेंड?
So Jatin and I are from the same college,
ओह,
and he's my junior.
सो क्या बात है यार. अच्छा जी.
Yeah. So
हाँ.
and when we actually started talking to each other, we saw उस time तो Facebook होता था ना, so we saw we have 106 common friends.
Oof.
And we thought, wow, this is so nice. That means our entire crowd, our entire friend
Universe
circle,
is same.
everyone knows each other, but हम एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते. So that means,
filmy.
so that means he thought that लड़की ठीक है.
Like, ओए,
मैं
ओए.
नहीं जानता तो लड़की ठीक है. So, but that was a time where he was also looking for someone to marry, and so was I. We were talking to each other. We really liked each other.
Nice.
But then we didn't want to waste time. So we said that, you know, we are not one of those people who
Time
would
pass नहीं.
time pass नहीं करेंगे. अगर we like each other, then we are getting married.
How sweet.
So in 1 week, in 6 days, we were roka-fied, and in 3 months we got married.
वाह वाह, like चट बगनी ते पट
Yeah,
गया.
yeah.
वाह. And of course there's one thing that I read कि उन्होंने आपको राइट करने के लिए बोला था, या ऐसे कुछ. ये देखो मैंने देखो कुछ स्टोरीज पढ़ के आई हूँ, कुछ होमवर्क किया, ऐसा कुछ था क्या?
हाँ, ऐसा कुछ था.
I am
So-
reminding actually.
So, you know, when I think second date or something, he said ki, why don't you pick me up from my office, like afternoon mein. I said, very cool yaar, like theek hai, I'll pick you, no problem. So I had gone with the driver and everything. He's
Yeah.
like, nahi, you know, leave the driver, you drive.
क्या?
I said, अच्छा ठीक है. I used to also enjoy driving, and I took him for a drive. We went for coffee, and then when I dropped him back to his
Amazing.
office, he's like, actually, I wanted to see that, you know, how are your driving skills. I wanted to check that, you know, मेरी बीवी है, at least अच्छी गाड़ी तो चलानी आनी चाहिए. I was like, wrong girl. You tested the wrong girl.
आए आए, क्या बात है.
Yeah.
But that's something, there's some commonality की जो बातें होती है, वो तो I'm sure यहाँ पे you also felt कि यार अब तो मजा आएगा, because पूरी दुनिया,
हाँ.
अगर आप मानो या ना मानो, चाहे वो हैदराबाद हो या बैंगलोर, ये तो वहाँ पे आप हो भी, you know, the big boy choice is there. But when I read, I find the COO and I find this girl in the heels is also leading the leadership. So when did that moment come कि आपको लगा यार मुझे लगता है I need to be a part of this also and support him or take this further? So that decision was something mutual. What was it all about?
I think it was kind of mutual also, but I think I was waiting for the right time to
क्या
kind
बात
of
है.
enter this field, because when I had a lot of knowledge when I was doing Party Like a Millionaire,
हाँ जी.
and one of the big concept in Party Like a Millionaire was Party on Wheels.
Wow, I want to know more.
Where we had taken these cars like Scorpio and others, and we had modified them into limousines.
क्या
So
बात
we used to
है.
decorate them for bachelorettes and bachelor party. I used to do the entire decor, and people used to hire these cars.
Wow.
So you know, when that was happening, and by that time,
सही है यार.
3-4 years had gone. So even this market
हाँ
had
जी.
kind of gotten diluted. Not the
Okay.
party one, but the party shops had
Oh.
started coming in. The
Wow.
from China people had
Correct.
started opening up,
हाँ
and
जी.
mine was more like a studio, home-based
Okay.
stuff. So I thought that, you know, while I'm doing this and
हाँ
it's
जी.
a fun job, and why not try my hand in the marketing of Jatin's company and
Wow.
get some different angle to it. And that's when all these Punjabi music video was coming in,
Yes,
and
the
there were a
Gandiyan.
lot of, I started doing a lot of events for Jatin. I started
Wow.
combining art with supercars, a lot of music, the Punjabi music
क्या
industry.
है.
We started giving up our cars for the
shoots
shoots
and-
and
oh,
everything.
lovely.
So I guess just slightly I had started entering the events and you know more of promotion side of Big Boy Toys. But then also, I decided that why not launch something like merchandise for this brand,
Yeah.
and that also economical and affordable
Superb.
merchandise, so that
Superb.
people who only think that supercars were their aspiration could take the brand home in a minimal amount of money, which
So
looks luxury
cool,
to them.
yeah.
So that's when the first perfume was launched.
Yes. Tell us
The
about
Big
that.
Boy Toys
Yes.
perfume, and I've always been
You've been
passionate about
since how
perfumes.
young you were that you started the miniature and the golden world record perfume collector. मैं तो आज ना खोजने वाली हूँ कहाँ है वो आज please
यही
if
है,
you can
इसी घर में है.
capture that. तो ये शौक बचपन से था the perfume.
Yeah.
But what made you drive into the perfume world as well? And then we come back to Big Boy Toy story. But the perfume वाला किस्सा क्या था? How did the Supermania feel like fragrance is important? But इतनी सारी miniatures, ये कुछ इसके पीछे की कहानी हो?
So my mom had gone to Switzerland for her honeymoon,
How?
and she had picked up something very exquisite and miniatures from there,
How?
which were part of her collection.
Okay.
And I knew that, you know, this is something which is very unique, and I always wanted to start a collection from a very young age, so that once I grow up I have something which I can, you know, really boost about. So I knew I had to start at the right time. So when I was thinking, when people were collecting stamps and
Coins, yeah.
I thought, no, I need to think of a new idea and build my own collection. So by the time I
Amazing.
grow up, I have something very substantial to, you know,
Wow.
talk about, that this is me. But this thought came when I was very young.
Wow.
And it came from a fact that when I grow up, I should have a collection to show to the world, which no one has.
Amazing.
So I don't know anyone. There is nobody else in this world who has
Neither
a
do I.
miniature perfume
I'm
collection.
sure. How many are there?
So there should be around 1,000.
वो एक सुपर वुमन अगर रो दे या फिर अगर अपना एक्सप्रेस कर दे, do you feel that Nikki it's fine to, are you emotion person who would express her emotions right away? Like मैं तो रो देती हूँ अगर on the
I find it very difficult to express my emotion.
Oh,
If I'm very upset about something, I think I would show it like an anger.
okay.
But I don't think it's easy for me to show that I'm upset.
Oh, and
Yeah.
why is that? Is there anything that you've internally built yourself like that? Yeah.
I guess so, because I feel that, you know, when you are around, you are built in an ecosystem where you feel that you are the main person and everyone kind of comes to you for emotional support.
Oh.
I think you feel that you can't really be weak because you have to be an anchor for others. So that has been my case forever. So I find it very difficult to express that I'm upset, or very difficult to actually shed a tear. If that happens sometimes, it usually happens when I'm alone. I feel, what a sigh of relief, thank God. Ek aansu to nikla.
Wow, actually, little difficult for me to relate to this part of you as well. धाकड़ तो आप definitely हो ही, पर ऐसा कभी moment जब you know जिस मॉम को कॉल करना हो और मम्मा को सारी बातें बताना, who is the one जिसको ऋतिका सारे secrets बताती है?
So yeah, I do have one or two very, very close friends.
Wow.
So I guess they would be the ones I would really be calling and telling them, okay.
Who are they?
Deepa and Pranita are my very, very close friends. So
Lovely.
they are the ones, I think, if they get a call from me and if I'm not saying much, they would know that, okay, let's make a scene.
Can we call them now? Is it possible? Just to say hi to the other Supermania, is possible है?
हाँ, we can, of
Let's just do
course,
it.
of
एक
course,
call
sure.
अगर अभी हो सके during this interview.
मेरा phone
फोन ले आओ
उस
भाई
पे है.
बिकॉज मुझे ये बहुत अच्छी बात लगी है कि कोई तो हमारी जिंदगी के जो कोर हैं जिनको हम अपनी दिल की बातें बताते हैं, और आज ये इंटरव्यू में जितनी सुपरवुमनियास देख रही हैं एक्सप्रेसिंग व्हाट पीपल वैल्यू टू अस, आई थिंक ऋतिका इज गोइंग टू जस्ट टेल अस दैट राइट अवे. आई नो वो लोग सोच रहे हैं कि कहाँ अभी वीडियो कॉल आ रहा है, ये क्या आ रहा है, जो भी आप वीडियो कॉल
Video
कर दो
call
तो
करना
नथिंग
है.
लाइक इट. हम अगर वो उठा लें
फर्स्ट नॉर्मल कॉल
First
करके
normal call
बोल
करके
देते हैं
देखते
कि वीडियो कॉल कर रही है.
तो गाइस दिस इज सुपरवुमनिया कॉलिंग सुपरवुमनिया. तो दोस्ती ऋतिका के लिए कितनी मायने रखती है वो तो मुझे पता चल ही गया, बट इन जनरल इफ यू आई हैव टू आस्क टू बिकम अ सुपरवुमनिया, दोस्ती इज इम्पोर्टेंट और
डेफिनेटली. 100%. I think you need the right kind of people in your life, the right kind of women
Wow.
who are not in today's time pulling you down, but then pulling you up and pushing you कि भाई बहुत हो गया, निकलो अपने निश्चय करो कुछ काम, you know, like do this, push me and you know tell me कि I think you've been in your comfort zone too much now. So
तो लेकिन जितने लोग हैं, ये तो मेरे लिए भी है, ये मैं जानना चाहूंगी, इज देयर अ वे दैट यू डील विद द नेगेटिविटी अराउंड यू समटाइम्स पीपल पुल यू डाउन, व्हाट आई एम श्योर फ्रेंड्स एक होंगे, पर आपका कोई एक ऐसा मूल मंत्र है दैट यू हैव टॉट योरसेल्फ? जैसे आई यूजुअली व्हेन आई हैव इंटरेक्टेड विद दीस सुपरमनिया, दे से कि दे हैव गिवन सम टिप्पणी दैट सम पीपल से आई इग्नोर, सम पीपल से आई डोंट केयर. What is your one thing that you tell yourself जब लोग pull down करें या negativity हो या trolls हो? How would you manage it? And if you could just tell us all कि यार निकी अगर ये करना सीख लो ना तो लाइफ थोड़ी आसान हो जाती है.
या मैंने ना जतिन से एक चीज सीखी है लाइफ में,
क्या बात है?
एंड दैट इज वन थिंग कि जब आप बहुत ज्यादा कोई आपको नीचे करने की कोशिश कर रहा होता है ना, तो और काम करो और बेटर ऊपर उठो लाइफ में.
क्या बात
And honestly, it gets difficult. I do get affected, and a lot of things happen. But I've realized when people are pulling you down, na, that means push yourself and do even better, so that they give them more option to talk about.
Amazing. And to talk about me, we have the Super Romania calling Super Romania में the friend out here जिनको I think हम कैमरे में भी मैं उनको hello बोल दूँ मैं. Hello जी, hi.
So should I do the camera? I mean,
Can we do
so
that?
can you say hi to the camera?
What is happening, guys?
We are shooting a podcast which
Yes.
is for Fever FM, and we are doing the Super Womania show.
I really called to check out and I just asked her a question कि you know आप अपनी जिंदगी में किसके साथ अपने इमोशन शेयर करते हैं? Your name really happened to be. तो आज इस इंटरव्यू में आप अपनी सुपर रोमानिया को कुछ कहना चाहेंगी? Can we
कुछ
just
अच्छा ही बोलना. ये ले to the camera.
to the camera?
So basically, Ritika is a person who knows her problem and who knows the answers to her problem as well, but she just needs a sounding board. आप उसको कुछ भी बोल दो, end में उसने करना वही है जो वो करना चाहती है. But in the end, I still have to give her a nod for her to kind of feel confident about what she is thinking.
So
In most cases, Ritika, you're the woman, you know your problems, you know the answers, you know what you want to do.
hi, get your goosebumps.
Happy to be your sounding board for that.
Wow यार,
Done. Thank
कितनी
you.
प्यारी बात. Thank you so much. Confidence कहाँ से आता है? कुछ एक बताओ यार. There's so many young women who are going to watch you and listen to the show pan India. How does this confidence come from? And are there ways to build in this internally? Yeah, from your experience of so many years, what is that?
I really feel it's not like I've always been at every event I've been successful. It's
Okay.
not like that. You know, of course, when I did my first event
Hanji.
in Queen's Drive Club, I
Yeah.
would start from Queen's Drive Club.
Right.
It was a absolutely successful event,
Wow.
and it was the most unexpected successful event.
Wow.
It was a fluke.
Huh?
Non-expected.
अच्छा बिना okay.
Because वो एक फन में करा हुआ चीज था. It was
QDC.
the kind of noise that it made was not something that was planned.
Wow.
The event on how it should be or what you know are going to be the latter effect of it was not planned. It was a fluke successful event. But the second one I did it too soon to
Okay.
the first one, and
Okay.
it was a super flop event.
Ah,
So
even
I guess you know, with time, when you do things, when you meet people, you realize the weather conditions, the traffic conditions, the different kind of people you're bringing together, because you're putting up a woman community.
Correct.
Not everyone is getting along with everyone, but still you cannot take sides, you cannot do groupism. There's a lot
Wow.
of things as a woman community leader that you need to think through,
Oh.
and you realize that the hurdles every year is different,
really.
because you want everyone to be happily be a part of it. You
correct.
don't want anyone to you know have a problem.
Hanji.
Everything should run smoothly. So every event, my challenges have been different.
Wow.
And with every event, I think I've learned new ways of finding on how to deal with those challenges.
Wow.
So confidence तो बीच बीच में बहुत टूटता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि कॉन्फिडेंस
बात
शुरू
है।
से होता है.
हाँ जी।
आप पुल डाउन भी होते हो, आप अपसेट भी होते हो, एंड देन यू आर पुट इन अ स्पॉट ऑन हाउ टू डील विद दिस प्रॉब्लम,
Correct.
बट देन यू फिगर इट आउट.
But that's so cool.
आई थिंक वो एक कहावत होती है ना, फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. So for the
Excellent.
girls, just hang in there, हो जाएगा. Trust your gut, trust your decision making power. Even if you make mistakes, I mean it's okay. You're still learning now. You're still putting a foot forward. You're still moving forward in life with everything you're learning. You're experiencing something new.
बिल्कुल.
So वो आ जाएगा confidence.
But is there any dream that, as हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, कुछ एक बात हो रही थी बिफोर द इंटरव्यू, बट कोई ऐसी चीजें हैं, there is a tick mark book or a diary that Ritika has कि okay now I'm doing this, I have my QDC done, I will be doing this, वो लिस्ट ना बढ़ती बढ़ती जाती. कुछ और है जो इस साल it might just be a new thing for us and a new news for us that you might just reveal today in this podcast.
So see, lately I've been working a lot on my health,
क्या
on my physical health, my mental health, emotional health. So I mean that has been a big center for me,
Nice.
especially because I have seen my mother-in-law suffer so much last year that I felt that the best gift I could give to my family and my children was my good health.
वाह.
And I feel that that's the best thing any mother can also do for their children, कि आप ठीक हो ना, तो that is the best gift you can give them health wise, by
बहुत बढ़िया
being
बात.
more energetic, by being more there for them, you know.
Beautiful.
So one thing that is there on my list is that I definitely want to run the marathon this year. So I hopefully by end of this year I would be you know, wanting to do that.
Amazing.
And there are a few travel you know, which is on my to do list, which I
wow.
would want to definitely see, like the northern lights. I would really want to go,
Jeff,
and I
wow.
would definitely want to visit Korea this year.
क्या बात है. और वहाँ से जो मिनिएचर्स आएंगे वो एड ऑन भी
हाँ, वो
होंगे.
add on हो जाएंगे.
क्या बात है यार. I think the beauty is in your smile and in your eyes that's really twinkling. I think that's the inner glow जो आ रही है. To just quickly have certain words about this is brilliant drive that you do. Club. देखो आपने कहा ना जब आप छोटे थे आपने miniatures का प्लान किया. पूरे हिंदुस्तान में सुपर कार्स विमेन को लेके they are celebrating this with you and you वो thought कब आया that you would want to do the Queen's Drive Club. ये जो QDC है, trust me, it's a lot of hype and people are asking me कि यार ये रैली में हम चल सकते हैं, हम आ सकते हैं, ऐसे do it. Let's just figure out how did that began. मतलब ये हटके चीज भी कैसे हुई जिंदगी में.
यार सच्ची बता रही हूँ, this was not something of it, this was not a planned thing.
Really?
I think this is really something which just happened by fluke. And I really don't know कि मेरे को पता ही नहीं था कि ये एक फन में क्रिएटेड एक चीज़ एक इतनी बड़ी हाइप बन जाएगी, एंड आई वुड बी सीन इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल एज अ वुमन लीडर एंड समवन हु इज डूइंग सो मच फॉर द वुमन कम्युनिटी. दिस वाज नॉट अ प्लान्ड थिंग एट ऑल.
Okay.
It was during COVID where I just felt ki, you know, where everyone was going through so much mentally and emotionally, and there was so much happening online where people were talking about how to keep yourself sane and and that was the time when I was organizing these few drives for my husband and his friends.
Wow.
And I just felt कि यार the best thing to do is यार गाना सुनो, drive पे जाओ, you know, there's a feel good factor and you're alone in your car. I mean
So
ये तब का टाइम है जब थोड़ी सी कार्स चलनी शुरू हो गई थी. It was not a complete ban.
Okay.
And I felt that, you know, एक दो लोग had started moving out, and the best thing was to go for a drive कि
I
चलो एक राउंड हो
agree.
गया, आपको कहीं जाने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, आपने ज्यादा लोगों से इंटरेक्शन नहीं करी, आप अपनी गाड़ी में घूम के आ गए.
Lovely.
And I felt that it was something which brought immense happiness to me, and I felt that why were more people not doing this?
Point.
You didn't
सही
have
बात
to
है.
go to a destination. You could just be in your car with a nice cup of coffee with one of your very close girlfriend. आप मस्ती कर रहे हो, आप गाने सुन रहे हो, आप थोड़ा चिल
क्या
करके
बात
आ
है.
गए.
Yeah.
But why was that not happening?
Right,
Was
that's-
something that bothered me.
Interesting.
And when I started calling friends or when I started checking on people, I realized that girls were not feeling confident to do it.
Ah.
There was not a it was not a thought which was ever created कि अच्छा
Correct.
हम भी ये कर सकते हैं. लड़के तो करते ही हैं, but हम भी कर सकते हैं कि girls निकल गई.
ओए होए. Lovely.
So that's when I started making a list of people I knew who
क्या हुआ?
drive, who had cars, and I was like, let's pick up our friends who can be our plus ones, and let's go for a drive.
So cool.
So that's how it started happening. And then I thought कि चल एक event करते हैं ना. So when I started writing people, I mean there were just 13-14 girls. Those 13-14 girls knew एक दो और, तो हमारी 25-27 girls की list थी और हमने वो 25-27 girls के साथ event किया था.
क्या बात है.
That was the first event.
And which year is this?
This is right when COVID was getting over. 21 होगा.
21.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it was not a planned thing. It was
क्या
not a
बात.
planned marketing
Now people wait for
strategy
invites,
or
huh?
anything. And the day I did the event, the next day, I mean उस टाइम अब तो Instagram पे टिक भी पे करके मिलता है ना, उस टाइम ऐसा नहीं
So
था.
cute.
So the first, I knew that I had
Oh,
done
wow.
something big because next day my Instagram page
Amazing.
got verified.
अरे.
And I was like, oh my god, ये क्या हो गया? मतलब
I find
इतनी
that.
बड़ी बात क्या कर दी मैंने कि मेरा पेज वेरीफाई हो गया.
क्या बात
So,
है यार.
and believe me, that was my relation, that I've done something which I also didn't know कि कुछ किया है मैंने. So it was not a planned strategy. It was not a marketing stunt. It was nothing. It
Wow.
was just something that it happened.
If there is someone that Ritika would want to say a thank you अपने इस journey में, तो वो कौन होंगे रितिका?
So I would really want to say thanks to my husband Jatin, because I guess you know एक होता है कि you give a platform to someone where I am so confident in making mistakes कि पता है संभाल ही लेगा. So I
क्या
feel,
बात है.
so I would really want to say thank you to him,
Oh.
because he's always been a backbone
Amazing.
and always let me do my decision making, do my own thing, and just been there.
Wow.
So I would really want to say thank you to him for this.
Amazing. अब मेरा ना एक चीज दिल से बहुत आ रही है जोर से पूछने की, अगर वो हो पाए. I really want to thank you to your mom, the Superwomania mom.
Right,
Is it
right.
possible अगर हमको ऑडियो में भी उनकी आवाज सुन पाए अभी
हाँ,
इस
हाँ,
इंटरव्यू के
sure,
दौरान?
sure.
और
I
अगर मम्मा फोन उठा ले वीडियो में तो नथिंग लाइक इट, क्योंकि इस इंटरव्यू में ना एक पर्पस एक और भी है कि जैसे थैंक यू, ग्रेटफुलनेस और सुपरवुमनियाज वो होती है जो हर एक सुपरवुमनिया से पहले मिलता है. हमारी मम्मा है हु इज आवर जान यार. तो अगर आज इस इंटरव्यू के दौरान अगर रितिका की मॉम सुपरवुमनिया कैन बी अ पार्ट, तब जाके ब्लेसिंग मिलेगी इस इंटरव्यू का.
1 घंटे बाद अच्छा फोन
भी तो
किया
फोन
था, पता ही नहीं चला. ओ उठा लिया. क्या कर रहे हो मम्मा? अच्छा मैं ना आपको स्पीकर पे रख रही हूँ, एक इंटरव्यू चल रहा है मेरा वुमेन्स डे का, सो दे वांट टू से हाय टू यू. हेलो.
हाँ जी आंटी नमस्ते.
नमस्ते, हाउ आर यू?
क्या बात है, शुक्राना गुरुजी सबसे पहले.
शुक्राना जी.
तो मैं आपकी लाडली बेटी के साथ बैठी हूँ और बहुत सारी बातें हुई हैं, तो मुझे था कि मैं जानूं कि मम्मा ने क्या खा के इतनी प्यारी सुपरवुमनिया को पैदा किया है. सच में. तो आंटी क्या सबसे कुछ बोलना चाहेंगी अपनी बिटिया को आज? ये ना रेडियो में भी जाएगा ये सारी बातें.
I am so proud of her and she makes me proud every day, every moment.
So, anything that you feel like telling at this moment to mama?
थैंक गॉड मम्मा आपने फोन उठा लिया.
तो मैं जल्दी आपसे भी मिलने आ रही हूँ.
Looking forward, waiting dear.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
ठीक है
Love
मम्मा.
you. Bye, God
करती हूँ.
bless.
बाय
वाह.
बाय.
तो आई थिंक इसी पल में इसी मोमेंट को हम कैंडिड वे में कैप्चर करते हुए, दिस वाज सुपरवुमनिया विथ माय सुपरवुमनिया रितिका जतिन आहूजा.
Thank
लव
you.
यू सो मच यार.
Thank you, thank
मजा
you,
आया.
thank you.
थैंक यू.